Running kimono. So I have been cleaning up a mess all morning long. A person pretending to be me online who is not me. And you're hearing it right from the horse's mouth. So please do not text this person. Do not provide any of your personal information to this person because they are not a good person. So first thing this morning, many of you might have gotten this message, but the YouTube account is text with that phone number. It isn't actually me. They're pretending to be me to confuse you guys. But if you click on it, it will say that the YouTube member is that phone number. So I had this video for Hot Tools because sometimes on Sundays I might give away a little gift card. I have since taken off all the comments off of that video. So our friend can't get busy messaging more of you guys. So if this ever happens that you get one of these weird messages from like Mr. Beast or a really big YouTuber, I don't know, who's saying you need to text me for the following, it probably is a scam. And there's lots of these people. They have a lot of free time on their hands, and they're trying to pull a fast one on you. If you did perhaps text the phone number, immediately block this person. Do not continue communications. It is not me. You can send me a message on Instagram. You can send me a message here on YouTube. You can send me a message through email and say, are you doing this? Yes or no? And I will try and answer you as fast as I can. But this person started at a weird time, like 3 a.m. So I don't even think they're in the United States. And they're just trying to harvest information and do bad stuff. Do not communicate. And if you don't know how to block a phone number and you were in communication, if you have a Verizon cell phone, go to the Verizon store, ask somebody in your house, look for it online. Don't do that. If you ever see people saying, text me on Telegram, also, what's another one? The WhatsApp. There's all these different facets that these people are trying to get your information and try to do bad stuff or to pretend to be somebody and they are not who they are. Look through other people's comments, see if I might have pinned something on Instagram or here in the communities tabs, which I did both when I saw this right away. I have since blocked this person, but who knows? Maybe they'll come back as a different phone number. Just be very, very mindful that this is out there and it is not a good thing. And I wish YouTube would just get rid of these people altogether. They used to put their phone number out in the comments. If you follow any big YouTubers such as, Mr. Beast, for example, you probably see this in the comments. Just be mindful to not be in communication with these people at all. Certainly the thing to do, guys, is to message me, or if you see a familiar name in the comments, such as Wanda Tennyson, little photo of her family. She's been with the channel since I started it. She's a friend of the channel. Message her or message somebody else or look at other people's comments. Or did I post something on somewhere else saying that, hey, this is a scam? Because guys, when have I ever asked you to pay for a giveaway, text me, do this, do that? I would never, ever do that. I always say that they're free. I will get in touch with you. And I never say we will start texting or anything like that. It's always through either an Instagram message or an email. I would never do that. But these people are, figuring things out and trying to scam you in the new year. And just be very mindful of this. I would never message like 40 of you for a short list, for a giveaway. I would never do that. And that's not how things operate. So hopefully most of you saw this for what it is. And if you follow bigger YouTubers such as Mr. Beast, sorry, I keep bringing him up, but you would probably see this in the comments. And before I take off, guys, one thing I do want to talk about is this podcast that I listen to by AARP. It's actually crafted by journalists. It's called The Perfect Scam. And they talk about a lot of different people that are out there trying to work you on Facebook, all these different, avenues of social media where they befriend you. And there's tons of crypto scams specifically. It's a really interesting podcast. If you have 20, 30 minutes and you want to get on top of this sort of stuff, like what's the newest scam, they have a ton of information and they do not disappoint. I would check that out and just be really, really careful in the comments. Never provide your personal information, that sort of stuff. And if a content maker's asking for money or something like that, something is up. And I've always mentioned that the giveaways are free, and I've never asked for phone numbers for texting. So be mindful of that one, guys. I've gotten a lot of messages from you guys today. And again, I'm not going to give this man's phone number or whoever this is, but shame on him. Okay, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.